If modern technology doesn't give you a spooky feeling, then it should. The following story might serve as a warning. Saturday, April 6. Undergraduates Roger Stevens and Elaine Wilcox were taking a leisurely stroll along University Park Boulevard in the early morning hours, following a late show at the campus cinema. They were blissfully unaware to be strolling into a nightmare. Inseparable since high school, the lovebirds had detailed plans for marital bliss and lucrative careers in optometry, complete with offices side by side after 3 more years of study.
All right.
They didn't have so long to wait for eternal union. Within a week, they would be resting together in their hometown cemetery.
Who is that?
The police were baffled how 2 bodies could be so mangled in a public park with no vehicle tracks to be found. Official cause of death, machine accident.